earn daily income in dollars. Withdraw $50 to $100 daily, only and only in Dogecoin. Using this exciting site, with just a few clicks a day, you can reach the dollar income I mentioned. Hello guys, welcome to an exciting video on earning income in dollars. As I told you at the beginning of the video, this site is very, very reputable and ranks highest on all sites. I came to introduce this to you as it has paid out nearly 7,300,000 Dogecoin so far, and you know that Dogecoin's backing could be Elon Musk. Anyone who is behind the cryptocurrency Dogecoin is going to be very, very, very profitable, and you will earn a very good income. For example, I say if you can earn 100 Dogecoin daily from this site, I will explain the rest in the video, which is very, very cool and has some very subtle points that are also confidential, and I will tell you in the continuation of the video. To register on this site, you need a name, an email, a password, and a password confirmation. Now, if you have referrals, you can share your code with your friends and click on the register button. I will provide you with a lot of cool information in this video, so subscribe to the channel right now, turn on the page bell, and most importantly, make sure to like the video. Let's go ahead and introduce our awesome site to see how we can earn a good amount of dollars by completing surveys, clicking, or doing whatever we want. Look guys, by clicking on the roll option, you can spin this spoon wheel. Now, among those numbers, if it lands on a specified one, it will give you the amount of Dogecoin corresponding to that number. If it lands on the number 10,000, you will receive 375 Dogecoins, equivalent to $300, which is a really, really great amount. With the backing of Mr. Elon Musk, who can, with just one tweet, potentially increase the value of Dogecoin by 2 to 3 times, for example. This was what I wanted to tell you later in the video. So I suggest that if you earn any income through this site, definitely keep it, because in the not too distant future, you might be able to sell the money you earn from this site for 10, 20, or even 30 times its value. So my suggestion to you is to hold on to this cryptocurrency and sell it whenever its price exceeds $1. Thank you all very much. Try this withdrawal method as well. In the first part, the Dogecoin address; in the second part, the amount of Dogecoin, and now the fee that it deducts and the proof of withdrawal. As you saw, I personally withdrew about $5 to $6 from this site, which I recommend you to keep active on. And most importantly, if you click on the referral option, you can earn up to 50% of your referrals income and have a substantial income through referrals. If your friend wins the $300 option, you will receive $150 through your referral. And without even needing to work on this site, you can reach your desired income and achieve financial independence sooner in your life. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos and turn on the page's notification bell. I love you all very much. Let's go for tomorrow night's videos. Goodbye.